Coca-Cola peach. What is this going to taste like? Peach, I guess, but Coke and peach, probably not the greatest combo together. All sorts of stuff I can't read yet. Oh, but there is a yes, no, pet. Okay. That did an explosion. Oh. 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 That doesn't smell like Coke. That tastes only like peach. Okay. Let's go. I don't know what I was expecting. It's not bad, but it's also really weird at the same time. Yeah, that's... Will I buy it again? No. Was it good to have as an experience? Sure. But Coca-Cola peach? No. It's okay, but no. Now, to end this video off in style, I'm going to make it look very pretty. Are you ready? Da 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 da.